If you are watching this, we officially have our first vlog. It is like 9:15 on Saturday. Good morning. Today is gonna be like my self-care Saturday, so I'm just taking you guys along and I just do some things for myself. I honestly am running a little late. I'm headed to the sauna. I'm headed to Sweat House, which is the sauna that I go to. I was supposed to be up at like 7 o'clock to work out before, but it's also self-care day, so I'm not gonna stress myself out to get up early on a Saturday. So I'm gonna go to the sauna first, you shower in there and everything anyway, and then I'm gonna get my workout in a little bit later today because I'm still gonna work out because we are still getting ready for my birthday and just life in general. But I'm headed to the sauna. It's like an infrared sauna. I like to go there to just like relax and kind of hang out. I'll kind of show you guys what the room looks like and stuff like that. But it's just a nice kind of place to reset, get the toxins out your body. I have my little bag, change of clothes, lots of water bottles because it gets to like 150, 160 degrees. But that's how I'm gonna start the day today. I had a little snack, nothing too crazy. But yeah, so let me go ahead and jump on this highway. You know we can't drive in Atlanta, so I need to pay attention. And then I will talk to you guys once I get to the sauna. Okay, so I turned the light on for y'all, but typically it is dark in here, so when I'm actually in the sauna it'll be like this. There you go. So in here, let me turn up so you can see. They give you like all the things you need: face wipes, deodorant. There's an iPad that plays music. I normally put affirmations or like something relaxing on here. The shower that I will be showering in after. And here's the actual private room. So I'm the only person in here. You can see it's at 140 degrees right now. I usually put it to 150 or 60. And yeah, you stay in here for an hour, sweat a lot, detox, relax. It's just a really nice, refreshing kind of experience. So let me get to that. So yeah, I just come in and crank it. Nope, I'm putting it down. I want to turn it up. I usually do like 150 and then I'll get to 160. I have the iPad in there doing some affirmations just so I can kind of meditate for the first like 15-20 minutes. Got my mask out there and stuff like that, which I will get to once I kind of relax a little bit more.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here.
So I'm about halfway through. Switched over to like my little chill R&B. We are cranked up to 165 degrees right now. They give you these little cold towels, which are really nice, and they like are scented. So this one is eucalyptus. So once I get halfway through and really start getting hot, I just use this. And then I like to put on my little sheet mask, and then I'll probably just lay and chill for the next 30 minutes. This one is aloe. I'll do my skincare routine later once I like get home and all that stuff. But this is just nice because since it's so hot, it really absorbs into your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this on. And then yeah, I'm gonna chill out in here. And I'll see y'all probably when I'm done so I can try to relax these last 30 minutes. All right, y'all, I am back from the sauna. I feel great. Honestly, I feel too good because I just want to take a nap. I feel very relaxed. I feel less stressed. Yesterday I was very frazzled and this helped a lot. But I just want to take a nap and I still have to work out. I have to wash my hair. Gotta do my little skincare routine and I have to go get this pedicure. My friend Ebony's coming over tonight, so I gotta straighten the house a little bit. The self-care is getting a little stressful. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys, or at least walk through a little bit of my hair routine, how I wash my bundles and my natural hair, and my skincare routine. And then we'll see. First, maybe I'm gonna take a nap, but I'm gonna wash my hair at some point. Okay, so disclaimer that I feel like I have to give. I am not a dermatologist. I do not necessarily recommend everything that I'm going to do in my little routine. Do what works for you. Do not do what does not work for you. Do not do things that you're not comfortable doing, etc., etc. Right now I am shaving my face. I use a new little razor each time. There are mixed reviews on if you should do this or not. I have been liking the results. I don't do it often. It's literally like maybe once a month, maybe, if that. But it just gets that top layer of peach fuzz off. It does not grow back darker. For me, I just feel like my skin texture has been better overall. So yeah, I'm just doing that first. And like I said, you can get these little, y'all know, you get these little eyebrow razors from the hair store for like $1. So I feel like it's just worth it to just use a new one every time. Anywhere I can, I want to share my world. Don't you understand? You see all that hair coming off? And I'm not even overtly hairy. I had to kind of kick it up my skincare because I had some breakouts that happened like randomly a couple months ago, but I'm still struggling with these scars, and I did not have any scars before, so I really just want to get rid of them because my skin was doing great, and then I got these random breakouts. Okay, I'm gonna just go through the stuff that I'm using for my face. All of it, honestly. I've been really into Urban RX lately. So not everything, but I do have a lot of Urban Skin RX products. So gonna cleanse with the cleansing bar. I've tried a couple different versions of the cleansing bar. I like them all. Going to polish with the AHA Brightening Dark Spot Polish because remember, I'm trying to get rid of the dark spots. So hopefully that'll do what I need to do. And then I have my Retinol Repair Dark Spot treatment, not dark skin. And depending on how I'm feeling, I either use that or I'll go on with the Even Tone Serum. I'll probably use the retinol treatment today. And then just my under eye creams and stuff like that. It honestly doesn't take that long. It seems like a lot of products, but my skincare routine is kind of my time. So it's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make it clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. And then after I give all that a few minutes to kind of settle in, I finish with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and I just use a Sephora brand under eye cream. And it varies. Sometimes I'll probably go and layer and spray some rose water. I'll kind of do stuff depending on my skin. If I need to do some spots treatment, if I need to do a mask, just kind of depending on what my skin needs at the moment. But really, I feel like that about wraps it up. My skin feels amazing. You know, you can do a hour-long skincare routine or you can do a 5-minute one, just kind of depending on. Y'all, I sat under the dryer for not even 5 minutes before I was just like, I don't have time for this. I think I can speak for everybody when I say sitting in the dryer sucks. It just takes too much time. So I am just blow drying my natural hair real quick so it's not wet. Then I'm just going to hit the ends of this so it's not soaking wet. With this, y'all remember I did a little review on this. I really do like it. Then I can kind of at least let it air dry. Air drying is actually better for the hair anyway, so that's fine. But I got stuff to do. I can't sit in the dryer for an hour. And I did want to mention, I've also been listening to my audiobook throughout the day. I'm listening to a new book, Calm the F Down. My first time doing an audiobook. And I do like the book. I think I'm still a regular book person because I get distracted and I miss 10 pages. But it's just about anxiety and not stressing and stuff like that. First vlog or not, I just want to say that it is getting, we are homegirls now because I'm out here, tracks out, having full conversations. I ain't had a makeup on this whole vlog and probably won't. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, let me blow dry this real quick, blow dry these bundles a little bit. And then I got to get to some stuff. Maybe do some work. I know it's self-care day, but y'all know I ain't got no job. So I got to do work even though I don't want to. But when I get that pedicure, that's when I can really relax and really put my headphones in and stuff like that. But let's blow dry this a little bit. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time. vlog. It's only gonna get better. I just finished my pedicure. I could barely get any footage because number one, it's a little bit more like luxury, and I just felt like it wasn't necessarily appropriate. And I wanted to respect the esthetician who was like doing my pedicure and not have a camera all in her face. And also because I wanted to relax and not necessarily, it's hard to like get the pedicure and not film her and not like film other people and also relax. But the pedicure was great. I always get a gel polish. I am a basic bitch, and I always get white on my toes. I looked at getting some neutral. I got like French before, like once, but I always end up getting white all the time. So sticking to what I know. But it was a great pedicure. I mean, she was popping my knuckles, like she was getting in there. So that was great. I feel great. This whole day, I've been feeling like I've been floating because everything has just been so good and so nice. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm about to run into Aldi now. I'm doing a little charcuterie board tonight because my friend Ebony is coming to the house. We gotta have a little drink, a little wild and crazy Saturday night. But I'm just get like some cheese and grapes and stuff. If you like charcuterie or like to do little snacks and boards like that, Aldi has a great affordable selection of like cheeses and olives and stuff like that. So that is my recommendation for where you want to get your things. And their wine, of course, is cheap. I'm not really a big wine drinker anymore, but still a good recommendation. So yeah, I'm gonna head to Aldi and then get ready for a little girls' night, a little fun. Y'all know in Aldi you have to put a quarter to get a cart. Tell me why they're out of carts. So I'm just carrying around a random box. Apparently everybody's shopping today. I managed to hijack somebody's cart. They left it. It was like abandoned. But I got some fruit for, I think I'm going to do some sangria. And then for the charcuterie board, also got some cheese, got some artichoke dip, got like some prosciutto and stuff like that. Try to reel myself in when I come to Aldi because I just be in here buying stuff. Because they just have like good knickknacks, stuff you didn't even know that you needed. What do you got? See. Ooh, do we need seltzers? No, we don't need seltzers. Okay, let me get in line because the line looks crazy. Actually, get a little something for Taffy. Let's go grilled chicken. Yeah. Let's do filet mignon too. Nothing too crazy. A little smart charcuterie board. Threw it together real quick. Gouda cheese, some prosciutto, some grapes, pepperoni salami, some turkey, and some cauliflower chips. And this is a jalapeno artichoke dip. So got that together. And then I think I got some fruit to do maybe a sangria using this Aldi's Cabernet. I got some peaches, some lemons, and some oranges. We might just do tequila with Spindrift, but I got it just in case because Aldi is so well priced. So we'll see. And Taffy's about to have her dinner too. Y'all, I want better for us. Listen, I am just going to vlog and just practice makes perfect. I did not finish vlogging last night. My friend did come over. We drank some wine, had some tequila, talked, all that kind of stuff. I didn't forget to vlog, but I just didn't vlog. So I'm gonna do better though. But we still did my little self-maintenance day for Saturday. Let me know, first of all, let me know some of your favorite vloggers. Annie Drea is easily my favorite vlogger. Very advanced level. That's just what I like to watch. Let me know some of your favorite vloggers. And let me know what you like to see in vlogs. Like, should I do a vlog with me working out? Do you want to see what I eat? Do you want to see more of Aramis, my husband? Like, just that kind of stuff. Just to give me a little gauge. Okay, we're going to get there. We're going to work on it. I feel like I want a vlogging camera, but until I can really vlog on my phone consistently, I feel like that's jumping the gun, and that's just trying to make another excuse of why I'm not vlogging. So yeah, if you got to the end of the shambles, thank you. Let me know if y'all have any questions or if y'all want me to like tag anything specific as far as products or anything like that. And I will see you guys in the next video and or vlog.